This jar of home canned pickles, I opened it yesterday, and if you look, you'll see that it was canned August 2021. That is almost 4 years ago that this was canned. I did not use Mrs. Wage's pickle mix. I did not use any commercial brand of pickle mix. I did not use any pickle crisp or any commercial firming agent to make the pickles stay crisp, crunchy, or firm. So let me go ahead and open this and show you. Now they are not crispy or crunchy like the Vlasic pickle commercial, but these are slices, so that's to be expected. But they're not mushy like you would think they would be after being canned for 4 years. In case you're wondering, this is April of 2025. Okay. Just gonna You can see it holds on the fork. You can see I have to push down in order to cut it. Now let's see if you can hear me kind of crunch this and chew this in my mouth. All right, in case you didn't hear that, I'll do another one in my mouth. And I had my mouth closed while I was eating that, so hopefully you can hear it. Okay, those are just good. Okay, so you might be noticing that the color does not look very appetizing. It definitely is coming across more tan or brown on the camera than it is in reality, but even in reality, it does not look very appetizing for the color. That is because of what I put in there in order to make them stay crisp, somewhat crisp, and not mushy. Okay, so again, these have been canned for almost 4 years, and they are still pretty crunchy considering that it's been 4 years. So, and that is because of what I put in here. I put in black tea leaves. I have tried using wild grape leaves before, and it didn't quite work out. I have found that black tea leaves work so much better at keeping them firm. For a quart jar, I put in 1 teaspoon of black tea leaves. And the black tea leaves that I used was literally the tea bags that you buy from the store, such as Lipton or Louisiana or whatever brand you want to buy. I just cut open a bag and took that, just a teaspoon for a quart jar. So there you have it. There's a little tip on how to avoid commercial firming agents when you go to can your pickles. Black tea leaves. Thanks for watching.